clearly that Mercedes in front of us is just filthy.
Ugh.
Just, oh, God. I don't know how that Benz driver can drive that. That, honey, get to the car wash.
I bet she hasn't even been in through a dozen times.
I bet she hasn't. A car like that, you should run that through at least 50 times a day.
Otherwise, what's the point of getting it painted every year?
That's right. Here's a TRD 4x4. I wonder if it's the original owner that's driving it or the new owner that's stolen it.
Yeah, apparently a lot of Toyotas and
getting stolen.
yeah.
All the high-end Toyotas and Lexuses are getting stolen this year. I have a guy in the office that had his TRD just like that stolen this year.
Really?
Yep. Came out of his driveway, it wasn't there.
Whoa.
Yep. He goes, well, new pickup truck.
Well, I mean, what else are you gonna do, right?
No, there's nothing you can do. He had like 13K on it or whatever.
That's what insurance is for.
Yep. Yeah, it was time.
Well, I bet you there's going to be some new anti-theft technology coming out, because I'm sure the insurance companies aren't happy that there's no way they can get out of that. Like, my car was here, now it's gone, and I pay you to have a car here.
Yeah.
So, nickel and dime all you want. Give me a fucking car.
The big boss heard that story. He only lived a couple blocks away. He ran out, and his Dodge Ram was still there. buy a Dodge Ram. That's anti-theft right there. You know what's good about the Dodge Ram during COVID as well is that you get all the options of a truck that's worth twice as much, and you don't drive it. So you still, you know, the odd time when you do, you still get all that stuff when it starts. And then if it doesn't, it's not really a big deal because you're not going anywhere today. You know, it's a perfect COVID vehicle. I looked at it and I thought, shit, that guy's really smart.
Yeah. Yeah,
really
the vehicle you want to not drive.
Yeah,
the Ram's where it's at.
That's right. We're gonna get burned by a lot. I have a Ram. It's got 390,000 miles on it. There's nothing wrong with it. I drive it every day. I've never had it not start.
Well, who knows? You know, in different climates, maybe it's better than it is here. Because I mean, Canada's rough on vehicles.
It is. The wiring too in the Dodges, like you say, you open the door, all the wires are exposed and stuff. It's like covered and stuff like that. I don't know what. In our climate, it's just not good. Mm-hmm. Japanese is got it. Now, don't get me wrong, guys. You're not going to tow a hell of a lot with a Ridgeline, okay? Like, you know, there's a limit to what a Japanese vehicle can do for you. But yeah, I mean, when it comes to a truck, I mean, we all like even Dodge guys know, right?
Leave a comment below. All right, this is number 9.
I want to. Now I've lost it.
Shit! I shouldn't have said anything because you knew until I said that. I think this is. I want to say this is 8. No, it can't be. Because 7 was the last one before you said 8, and this is 9. Oh, okay.
This is 9.
Well, we'll put a count there.
Yeah, my neck's actually a little sore, so now I understand why Rebecca's driving her car through the car wash with her neck sore.
How is what?
I don't know, just from sitting in the car here so long, I'm getting a sore neck. Weird. We can take that out. You guys don't need to know I have a sore neck.
Yeah.
Unless that's entertainment. Unless you're going to click subscribe because Chris has a sore neck and you want to see what happens on the next episode.
We've been recording for 57 minutes.
That's pretty insane.
Yeah.
Well, you have lots of stuff to edit.
Yes.
I don't know if I want to leave that Dodge Ram going. I'm afraid of the Ram guy.
You know what?
We have a parade of Rams in front of my house.
Yeah.
I'll be revving their engines for 5 minutes. They'll all have to be towed. The good news is I have a Ram dealership just up the road from my house.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
But honestly, I think the reliability of a lot of trucks today has really gone downhill. There's been a real slide since 2000 in quality control everywhere. The Fords aren't great, the Dodges aren't great, the Chevys are not great. So, you know, and I know if you drive one, any one of those three, you're going to have an opinion about it. Because you have one, you know, it's awesome. But at the end of the day, I don't know what truck I would buy, honestly. I guarantee you it would be. I still don't know.
Well, again,
I wouldn't have to tow a lot because I wouldn't want to pay the money for a really big truck. That'd be unreliable.
Well, I think there's a couple of things going on there. I think, first of all, pickup trucks have gotten away from their core philosophy because they used to be half the price of a car.
Yeah.
Now they're twice the price of a car.
Yes.
They used to be bare bones simple, so there's nothing to break. Now they have all the toys cars do, plus camping stuff, plus whatever other stuff.
Yeah.
And they want to lease to companies so they don't have to build something reliable because the company just buys a new one in 3 years.
That's right.
Or leases a new one in 3 years.
I do like those little K trucks though.
Yeah.
I would buy a K truck.
Well, that makes a load of sense because again, they're simple, right? I was telling you, I drove one when I was in Taiwan, and there's a stick shift, a radio, an ignition, and that's about it.
That's it.
Manual windows.
Yeah.
Simple, like metal, like outside metal latch for the door. It just clacks. There's no fancy arms that are cantilevered with stuff.
You're not going to go fast in it,
No, you're definitely not.
but they're rugged as hell.
But also, they're fairly nimble for what they are because they're light because they're not full of shit. So they're almost like big little go-karts. Like they're not fast, but they'll corner pretty well because they're not as heavy as a lot of modern trucks are.
So this is 10, I think. It's a magical number.
Yes, pretty sure.
We made it to double digits, guys.
All right.
We're in double-digit car washes.
Yeah. 4 more until our goal.
Yep.
Well, 5 more because this is once we go through, it'll be the 10th. And then,
Yeah.
yeah. Nice sunny day for it.
Nissan Rogue.
Indeed.
The Infinity's nice looking SUV, that big one.
Oh yeah.
Not something you see every day.
And it's all-wheel drive. What's that? That's the Q series. Their SUVs.
I think so. I think it's a Q something. Yeah, it's a Q50 or Q60.
Zoom in time.
I don't know. Oh, it's a QX50. I think that says 50.
Focus, you stupid camera. Like, what's this?
Yeah,
Focus, you fuck.
Yeah, that's right.
That's getting cut out. But anyway.
Yeah. Well, you can beep it, I guess.
Yeah.
You beep it.
He's got a point, though.
Yeah. Slow focus. Actually, the Canon hasn't been bad.
Yeah, it's been all right.
Pretty good camera.
The only problem is it makes my head look gigantic because I can't. Like, if I hold it like this, my arm's gonna get tired.
Well, that's not really a camera's fault. You need longer arms.
Right. I apologize.
Sorry, Marquette doesn't have longer arms, guys. It's just the way it goes.
I guess for this type of stuff, a selfie stick makes sense.
Kind of. Yeah. Yeah.
But I'd still much rather not use one.
I know.
Even though it's superior in every single way.
Something about using a selfie stick that makes it. You almost need a vape pen at the same time.
Yeah. And a braided beard.
That's right. Oh, we've changed attendance.
Oh!
That's probably making the other guy dizzy. Fall down. He'd probably think he was reliving the same day again. All over again. He's like, oh, what's going on here? It's Black Saturn.
He's probably trying to keep count of how many times he'd been in just for his own entertainment and had to go inside and check the security footage.
Yep.
They got a pool going.
Yep.
I wonder what Becca's going to say when she...
I don't know. It's kind of interesting. Like, Dad, you're taking advantage of things. No, I'm not. I'm making fun of them. Totally different.
But I bet you... I can imagine she's pretty popular with her coworkers.
Oh, yeah.
She likes to get shit done, and she likes to have a laugh. So
yeah, well, absolutely.
It's probably part of why they're happy to hang out with you a little bit when you're in there.
I imagine car wash is a pretty fun place.
That's true.
Get your car washed every day. You can vacuum stuff out, keep it like medical clean inside.
I'm noticing the smells now. Yes.
Get more of it. The heavy spray is coming very shortly.
Ah, yes.
I know now. Number 10.
Yeah, got the timing down.
Yep.
It's still showing 2 bars of battery.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
So it makes sense. It's always good when you charge the camera before you use it. We should get a car adapter for it anyways.
Yeah, true.
The one thing I don't like about that Canon is the fact that it's got a proprietary adapter.
Yeah, it's stupid.
Yeah. Everything should be Type-C now. Everything. Do I actually see water penetrating?
Oh,
I do see a droplet on the back now.
which,
Right in the middle. Right in the middle at the back, I see a droplet. On the upper window area. Right up in there. I can see it in my rearview mirror.
I was like, there?
Yep. Where the antenna is, in the middle of the roof.
Oh, okay. Let's see if I can zoom in.
It's definitely leaking. Not a lot. Just starting.
I see nothing, but I believe you. Maybe it might be showing up and I just don't see it on this little screen, but
Probably gets pushed in through this, I would think. Yeah. As we're going through the fans, it's getting pushed in.
oh, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. We're stuck
just-
there for a second. I don't know.
Probably just overlay a picture on that later. All right, so that was 10. We're going for 11.
11 T1.
Yeah, in the lucky right lane.